experience that you were madly in love with somebody at one point of time in your lives, and that person, you believed that that person will be with you forever, but today that person is no longer with you. How many of you had that belief? How many of you had that person in your life? One time the person was there, today the person is not there. Stop looking around. Please raise your hand or keep it down. Some people, okay. Okay, now, at that time, when you believe that this person will be with you, if somebody told you this person is not right for you, what do you think you would have done? How do you think you would have responded? Do you think it would have been positive? No, you say, oh, get lost, you don't know anything. But today, if somebody was to tell you, you know that person probably was not right for you, what would the response be? Would it be different? Sure. What we would say, you should have told me then. People do not like to hear what goes against their beliefs. So, for example, if you believe here, how many of you are in the field of sales? Can I see a show of hands, please? In the field of sales. Fantastic. Now, how many of you are not in the field of sales? Raise your hand, please. Okay. Now, one of our beliefs is that everyone isn't selling. Okay. One of our beliefs is that sales is part of life, or negotiation or persuasion is part of life. Now, if you do not have that belief, those of you who are not in the field of selling may not get as much from today as you would otherwise. Are you with me? The belief can either help us or hinder us even in our learning. Those of you who are in the field of sales for more than 5 years, raise your hand, please. More than 5 years. Okay. More than 10 years, raise your hand, please. Okay. Now, those of you who've been in sales for a long, long time, your belief could be, I know everything about sales. What am I going to learn here? As long as you have that belief, you will not learn anything. So beliefs are the filter. And that filter either helps us or prevents us from learning or moving ahead or doing anything in life. So we strongly believe the problem is that most people, when they conduct training, they teach the skill, but they don't address the belief.